That's how you draw a turkey. You put it on construction paper and you draw the turkey. Put a little waddle underneath its beak right there. Anyone outside of the United States probably doesn't get that reference, but hey, you're probably better off. Welcome to Beater Box Black Friday. This is something that only happens once a year. It's actually never happened before. I just made it up on the spot because I just don't plan for these things. It's just all there is to it. Welcome to the channel. I'm SB Mitch. You can follow me on Twitter and Instagram at the handle on your screen right now. And below that is my website, Ransom Note Sneakers. I'm doing a big Black Friday sale right now. Go to the link in the description below to find out what kind of steals and deals you can find on my website. And all the shoes that we're unboxing today will be included in that sale. And it ends tonight at midnight Central Standard, so you might want to hurry up. And then also use my code SBMitch50 on Reshoevn.com to save 50%. That's half off. Half off everything on Reshoevn.com for all your sneaker cleaning, disinfecting, beautification needs in general. I'm gonna be cleaning all the worn shoes in this box with Reshoevn, so it's totally worth it. This beater box is from Sole Supremacy, just like every other beater box I get from there, because they're simply the best. Better than all the rest. Like the song, but I'm not gonna sing because that's not what I'm here for. This box was $1,200 plus $40 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois, for a grand total of $1,240. High ticket boxes have been absolutely crushing it lately, so we're gonna keep that trend going. Hey, these boxes are set up to make you some money, so go ahead, follow along with Clarence the Counter. It's gonna be letting you know how much each shoe is worth on the secondary market based on size, condition, ease of movement, and similar sale or for sale prices of the same model. And then we're gonna break it down at the end of the video to show you how much the box is worth versus how much I paid, because we wanna make sure that we're making some money on these boxes. So let's open the box and see what's going on in here. All right, this box looks to be open. I think I got most of it. There's a few loose shoes in here. Looks like 3 pairs. So this is some kind of Air Force One low in a size 9. I'm not 100% sure. I think these are dead stock or maybe tried on or something, which I've come to grips with the fact that tried on is a condition. So egg on my face. It's just an Air Force One. I don't know what these are called. I'm not huge on Air Force Ones. This thing feels like I'm holding a 5-pound weight, but it's got this like, almost like kind of foamposite style upper. These look like, yeah, my guess is tried on, but it's a size 9. It's kind of iridescent looking. I don't know what these are, but there you go. First shoe out, size 9, foamposite, or see, I think it's a foamposite because the material's like it. It's an Air Force One low. Second one out, it's an Air Jordan 1. I think it's a KO. Yeah, it's an AJ KO, but it's like canvas. It's got a quilted toe box, which is pretty cool. It's solid navy. I don't know what the deal with these are. These kind of remind me of the Jeters a little bit, just based on the colorway and how it's blocked. But it's different outsole because it is an AJ KO, and it's all canvas upper, I think. Most of it feels like canvas. The quilted aspect is really nice, but it is a size 12. These look like they're in tried on shape as well, maybe? Maybe worn once, I don't really know. These definitely will be going cheap because I can't imagine a KO has much value. So there you go, size 12 AJ KO, some kind of dark blue colorway. We got one more, loose pair. It's an Air VAPORMAX 2, I think these are called. These are worn, some kind of like New York Knicks looking kind of colorway, like royal blue, something. These are a size 10.5, very little outsole wear. These are gonna clean up nicely and look almost brand new. So a little bit of hint of orange there on the swoosh. I mean, these are cool, I guess. Great workout shoes, just not a great casual shoe. So 10.5, VAPORMAX 2, some kind of bluish colorway. Uh-oh. I mean, the rest could be awesome. I got a size 11 Ultra Boost, whatever that word is. ETUDES, maybe? ETUDES. That's where you have an attitude online. Bad joke. So this is yeah, these are worn because the lace bag's not attached, but good Lord. I don't know what these are. They have like some stars on the upper. It's an uncaged Ultra Boost kind of thing. Black boost, black heel cups, Prime knit upper is blue with some stars on it. It's a consortium ETUDES release, whatever this is. I know nothing about these. It comes with the extra laces. Size 11, very, very good condition. I mean, hardly any outsole wear, if any. It looks like someone wore these on carpet a couple times, but there is a little bit of discoloration right there. So size 11, Ultra Boost. These are ugly. I'm not gonna hold back. These are ugly as sin. So there you go. Buy those for Black Friday, please. So we got a size 12 KYRIE 1. I haven't seen a 1 in a while. It's KYRIE 1 All-Star. It's a dead stock pair, so that's cool, but it's the KYRIE 1. Not really much to say. KYRIE 1s are definitely, this is the signature of a KYRIE 1, is to have these weird little spikes on the back. It's a size 12, kind of huge. Probably a really good basketball shoe, but just clear outsole. Some Concord purple in there. I don't know. Performance basketball, KYRIE 1, I can't imagine the market on KYRIEs is very good because it never really is. So there you go, size 12, dead stock, KYRIE 1 All-Star. Uh-oh. This one might be good. We got a size 10, no, size 10 and a half, Air FOAMPOSITE Pro Premium All-Star Quick Strike. Well, I know what these are. They are very lightly worn, just need a quick cleanup. These are the VACHETTA Tan FOAMPOSITE Pros. It's got this like copperish gold swoosh tan upper. The upper is actually in really great shape. Looks like most of the Nike Air on the inside has been worn off, but it's got the inserts, leather laces. It's just a tan looking FOAMPOSITE. This is also a very heavy shoe. So these might be worth something. It looks like it's a quick strike FOAMPOSITE, so they might be worth a little bit. I don't know though, so there you go. It's definitely a premium FOAMPOSITE Pro, but not my thing. I think tan and wheat colorways are just absolutely ugly to me, so man, this box better have something really good. It kind of does, I see it. Let's get this. This is a YEEZY Boost 350 V2 in a size 5. And just like in the last box, we got another one. Are these dead stock though? This is a pair of size 5 Beluga 2.0s. These are dead stock. There is some discoloration on the left shoe. You can see, it's got this like weird like yellowish thing going on here, so that will definitely affect the value. Great size, and I'm glad they're dead stock, so that's pretty cool. I got a worn pair in the last box. Those went for like $375-ish, so I would imagine because of the defect that'll affect these, so probably like $400 value-wise. So that's not bad. It's a good chunk. Just winter is not the best time to sell Yeezys, so size 5, $350. We do have one more pair. It's actually a pack, and it's very heavy. I know what the pack is based on the box. This is probably one of the most iconic Jordan packs of all time. Getting these dead stock would be super clutch. What size are these? So it's a size 12. Good size for Jordans. And folks, it's not DMP pack, because then you're saying Defining Moments pack. So the box is in good shape. That's awesome. It's got MJ wearing both of the models, which is very cool. Let's go for the 6 first. The 6 is actually retroing early next year. A lot of people are excited about that. And why not? Because it's a very cool colorway. So these are definitely worn, kind of lightly though, I'm not gonna lie. There you go. Size 12. This is the 6 out of the pack. Not a lot of signs of wear though. I mean, there is some outsole discoloration. They have been worn, but the Jumpman and the Air is still hanging out in there. It's got the dog tag. There's just a little bit of a scuff here on the medial side of the right sneaker. So this is the 6 of the pack. Or let's grab the 11. Oh, nice cool little thing that comes with the Defining Moments pack too. This is awesome that this has original all. It has this little booklet thing that you can open up and see, like, it's got MJ's wingspan, and it's got some like little information on the inside here. So this is very cool. There is some discoloration on the outsole. The uppers look a little bit discolored as well, but there you go. The biggest difference, it's got the gold Jumpman on the heel. These are actually in really good shape. There's minimal creasing on the toe box here. A lot of people consider this the best Air Jordan 11 because it does have that premium aspect of the gold Jumpman. It's got the dog tag too, so this is awesome because this has original everything. So awesome shape too. I'm spending a lot of time on this, but this is a very, very cool pack. Now, value-wise, I would imagine these are probably between like 600 and 900. That's a ballpark, just because it is an older pack. I mean, that's all there is to it, but probably the best Jordan pack besides the Defining Moments 1 pack, in my opinion. That was definitely the money shoe of the entire box. Nice. All right, that is a $1,200 Sole Supremacy beater box. Looks like most of the value is in 3 of the shoes, but let's take a look at the numbers right now. Break down! my guess is this is a pretty good box. The Defining Moments pack might be a little bit hard to sell, but hey, whatever. Go on my website today. All the shoes that you see in this box and some other ones that I'm adding today will be available at 6 p.m. Be sure to check out the Black Friday codes. You can find the information in the video description below. Save yourself some money. And also hit up resjuvenator.com. Use my code SBMitch50 to save yourself 50%. That's half off. If you buy something for $100, it's $50. That's crazy. Very cool. Thank you so much. I hope you have a great weekend. Enjoy your holiday weekend too. I will be back on Monday with probably another beater box. No, I don't know if it's gonna get delivered in time because of the holiday. I don't know, we'll figure it out. Thanks for taking the time. I appreciate it. See you soon. And until next time, take care of each other and remember, shoes are supposed to be fun, so make it fun. Bye.